Good morning, welcome to my Friday vlogs. I'm Sarah. I'm just taking a little moment to enjoy my breakfast, look at the garden and enjoy the peace and quiet. I hope you enjoy coming along on my Friday with me. Got some nice things planned. Hello everyone. I've not really shared much of me today. It's now about 4 o'clock. I've had a lovely day with some friends. They were friends that I taught to crochet a little while ago, and they're all doing really well, and it was really lovely sitting around. Even though I helped a little bit, they could crochet and they were working on their granny squares. So yeah, it was a really lovely afternoon, sitting in the garden, enjoying some nice food and crocheting together. So I've just got home. I'm wearing my dress that I made last week with my sister, and I'll probably do a bit more of a video of me standing up showing you it. But yeah, I hope everyone is okay. It's definitely spring, if not summer at the moment. It's really warm, so we've had such extremes of weather. I'm trying to enjoy it, but I do struggle when it's too hot. But this dress has kept me cool today in this lovely linen, but I'll show you it in a minute. Hello, it's about 6:30 in the evening, and I thought I'd just share with you the dress that I made last week. So this is the Collage Gather dress by Matchy Sewing Company, and I've used this lovely kind of lightweight linen with a more heavyweight linen for the contrast. And I'm quite pleased. I think it is a bit big. I really love it. I love the neck. I think it fits lovely here. They are kind of, grown on sleeves, but it feels like that fits nice, but it is quite big. So I think if I was to make it again, I would make a smaller size. What do you think of the contrast? I do love the gathering. I've put some contrast pockets. Yeah, what do you think? It is definitely cool and floaty. Oh, sorry, that sun's a bit bright, isn't it? Yeah, it's been a really warm day today, and it has felt very nice to wear. But yeah, I think I'd make a smaller size next time. But yeah, really happy with it. What do you think? Have you made one? Look at this sunshine this time in the evening.